guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see in front of me, I have one of those Degustabox subscription boxes. I'm normally not a subscription person, guys, and I don't really believe that they do offer quite of a value. A little while back, Mr. Daniel has subscribed to a beer tasting box, and I must say that didn't really turn out that well. The box was tiny, the beers were tiny, and it was rather expensive. But more and more companies keep bringing out their subscription boxes and aim to deliver you really good value for money. So, being me, I decided to give this one a go. So I chose this one first on the basis of I keep seeing an advert, and I'm very sorry, but it's very irritating advert of the lady unfortunately unboxing this, and she takes every item and she opens every single one of them and tries this. For some reason that really irritates me, drives me crazy, but nonetheless, it made me want to buy one of these boxes and see what it's all about. So, general idea, guys, right? They cost around £15 a month, and this is subscription, but you can cancel anytime. But of course, at first, with any subscription deals or boxes, you get a discount. So I managed to bag one of those for £8.99, including free UK delivery. So their idea and their USP is that you get to experience different products, so your pantry is never the same. So my point is actually how cost effective they are, because if you think about it, generally, guys, £15 and you would get few products there, it might not necessarily be worth the money, especially if the stuff is there that you don't like. So nonetheless, guys, I bit the bullet and I decided to go ahead and give it a go, and I'm hoping I haven't wasted my money. They do answer some questions before you get your box, so obviously they do ask the question whether you drink alcohol and other things like that. So they technically will be teeny weeny bit tailored maybe to your likings. So without further ado, let's open it up and see what we have this month. First of all, this arrived with the Every, and it's only got one piece of tape in here. And with Every, we know you need a bit more than that, but nonetheless. Okay. Okay. Right. So let's get, first of all, we have some brochures, literatures, my goodness. Adverts, full of adverts. So, oh yes, I did see they do like a Christmas calendar. £38, worth £55. Woo, huge saving. Some rice things, some info maybe by the products that is inside, I don't know. So let's have a look. So the first thing we have here is chickpea puff snacks. Oh, okay, chickpeas. Not a big fan of chickpeas in terms of like snacks, but nonetheless, it is something different. And I bet the idea is, guys, their unique selling point is you are trying something different, because when we generally go shopping, you generally pick up your everyday things, but obviously, yeah, things like that you might not ever get to try. So anyway, so we've got one of those first, and then here I have a selection. Okay, there's 3 of them. I've got Maggie, I've got the air fryer shawarma spice, I have fajita spice, and I have a piri spices. So I've got 3 sachets. The date on that is until June 2025, 27 grams. So, okay, so that's useful for the pantry, must say that. Oh, it's another, sorry, another two. So you've got flavored Chinese style and smoky barbecue. So, okay, so we've got 5 sachets of seasonings. Okay, that's not too bad. I do like cooking, so here we are. Okay, so we've got one of those Tilda rices. Okay, we'll talk about this and let's get the stuff out, okay? So let's get bits and bobs out. And then I can whinge about it, I'll talk about it. Okay, we've got a Knorr red wine stock, not cubes, they're little pots, the jelly ones. They are generally quite pricey. I never buy them. I think that's a ridiculously low price for what they are, but nonetheless, give them a go. Okay, I've got oat blend, just add water. So use your own, use as milk. So it looks like it's a concentrate, so you just add water and you have some oat milk, which is in a way for the preppers. Mind you, date is December 2024, but interesting. We have some sugar-free mint, so strawberry flavor, mint, strawberry mint, mints. Okay. Right, then we have, okay, the pasta sauce, a bologna pasta sauce. Okay, I've seen this brand. It is an expensive brand in a supermarket. Again, I don't buy this because, well, it's expensive. So there we are. So here we have some cookies. Mr. Daniel will be very happy. So they are some sort of French chocolate cookie. It's written in French. Okay, so yeah, that's good. Again, cookies like that generally cost a little bit. Okay, so we have one of those naked fruit and fiber bars. Tried them, really didn't like them. Mr. Daniel doesn't like them. They are a little bit revolting, but they are what they are in terms of they are naked, like not literally naked, but it's very little. It's just fruit and everything sort of congealed together. Okay, so we have, okay, we've got some cereal, I'm not saying bars, they are, yeah, they're like basically a breakfast cereal if you wish. Country crisp, so is it multigrain? Nah, light and crispy, blueberry pieces. Okay, well, yeah, that brand again is quite pricey, so right, we got that. Next thing we got Truly Nuts. Okay, it's Stokes smoky flavor mini nut packets. Again, kind of like a snack pack. Right, then we have, okay, Mr. Daniel will be happy. You got the high protein bar, okay, snack bar. Okay, dates are good, so okay. Again, those things are generally quite pricey. And then we have naturally clean strawberry dragon fruit. So you've got, oh yeah, okay, so that'd be the energy drink. So you've got 80 milligrams of caffeine, 0 sugar, and nootropics, whatever that is. And yeah, basically you got a tin of that. So there we are, this is it. So we have here, hopefully get to see that. Let me get the scissors out. Right. So this is our selection of products. Okay, hopefully you see that all. Okay, so it's a difficult one. To be fair, we're talking about $8.99. Okay, that was delivered because it was a special price. If we sort of add up things, like those bits will be, I'm pretty sure, like a couple of quid. And again, if you eat that brand of cereal, that's great. The idea is obviously that you do try something new if you can afford to. You know, rice, to be fair, okay, yes, it's a pantry box, as you wish. I never buy those expensive brands of rice. I think they're really severely overpriced. But again, if you want to try something, mix the green in there. But if you want to try something new, then I suppose it's okay. So yeah, again, they're generally, I think, over £1. So, okay, you know, energy drinks, I don't know how much the tins are individually. You know, cookies easily of that kind of packaging and that kind of amount normally be probably like £1.80, £2. You know, the sauce, there will be probably about a quid if you bought it, I don't know. And Knorr things, again, they'd be over £1. And obviously the little flavor sauces, I think when you look at about the brands, they will be pushing like probably 80p. In some cases, I've seen some that are £1. So from that point, again, probably a not too bad of a value. Those bars are generally, I'm pretty sure I've seen some, they are like 2 quid in Tesco's. This kind of stuff, it's, yeah, again, mini things, I don't know about the value, but probably still be like good 50p. And then the milk sachet, I have no idea. Naked bars, get them for about £1.50, and that, I don't know the value. But generally, looking at that, right, 9 quid, it doesn't look like it's a lot of food, but it's kind of, it's a good selection and a good variety. So you have a bit of sweet, you have a bit of savoury, you've got a bit of breakfast, and you have a bit of a drink. So generally, as that, it kind of looks a-okay. Money-wise, for $8.99, we probably cover this easy, okay, considering the delivery is free. If you start paying the full £15, I think that's quite a lot. Do bear in mind, obviously, delivery, it does cost a good few quid for the company to send that. But generally, £15, if you were talking about, you know, sort of cost of things nowadays, it's not a lot, but you can still buy quite a lot of food as a food to consume for £15 if you do shop cleverly. But as the interesting box of sort of investigating different flavors, it's not too bad. So anyway, I'll kind of leave this up to you guys. It's technically, I just really wanted to really want you to try this. I just really wanted to see what the fuss is all about. And I know there are many more subscriptions out there, which I might give it a go. There's one specifically one that interests me because it's actually from different countries, and this is more interesting to me than having a potentially just a supermarket selection, because you know, if I want to try something new, I can just decide to try something new, go to the supermarket and go, let's today try something new, like in terms of new biscuits or something else, because all of that, so far as I'm aware, apart from maybe Maggie, is available on the high street already. So it's not like they bring this out to you before it's kind of out there. So technically you can do that. But nonetheless, guys, I just wanted to try this and I wanted to share with you. So if you do want to give this a go, obviously you roughly know what to expect. The subscription changes every month. So obviously you do subscribe, but you can pause and cancel anytime. So yeah, there we have it, guys. Well, hopefully you kind of somewhat found this interesting. I don't know, just being a bit nosy. I kind of like looking at things like that. So nonetheless, well, thank you very much for watching. And yes, I'll see you again in the next one. Bye bye.